Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Jan, if you're new here. Today, we're going to make something known as a hobo packet. It'll make more sense to you in a minute, but what I'm starting with are these beef brisket burgers that I thawed out. I got a very large potato, and I have about a medium-sized onion. Salt, pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and a little bit of steak seasoning. So, I'm going to move our beef brisket burgers over for a second. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop this onion in decent sized rings. Not terribly thick, but we want the full ring. Hope y'all can even see this. Me and my knives, I swear. Let's see if I can cut this one more time. Okay. We may or may not use that part. We may save it for something else. Okay. I'm going to set these on a little plate to the side. And this. Now then, I washed this potato last night. These are about, I don't know, I'm going to say 1/4 inch thick rings I'm cutting. And I'm not certain we will use even half of those. So I'm going to keep that chunk to the side. And I'm going to move these and stick them on our plates. Now then, I'm going to put this over here so I can wash it off. Plate out of the way. Dry my counter off real quick. Okay. Also, I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Did I just say Fahrenheit? Yes, I did. Fahrenheit, which is pretty hot. I took just a small-ish bake pan, and I went ahead and put some foil on here just to be safe. Okay. You're going to take a piece of tin foil, and you're going to turn it long ways. Okay. Let's add some more potatoes. Now you can add as many potatoes as you want. You can make these huge if you like. Like I said, these are phenomenal if they're cooked on a grill, even with just a regular hamburger meat, because this will be the first time I've ever used brisket. Okay, salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, and a little smoked paprika. All right, and then a little steak seasoning. And yes, this is going everywhere. Like turn these sides up just a hair. There we go. Now then, onion goes on top of your potatoes. I think that's just going to have to be enough. Y'all just remember, if you make this, this is only one onion, and it's making just 2 of these Hobo packets. Okay. Salt. Pepper. The reason I'm making this, if you're wondering, my mother used to make these when I was a kid. Only she would buy the boxes of the frozen meat patties from the grocery store, and they were about that big around, and I cannot stand them as an adult. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of steak. Anyway, one of my neighbors, one of my friends, she came and ate with me one time, and my mom made these, and she really, I think that girl still makes them to this day. Okay. Pick up our next brisket. Salt. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Pepper. Steak seasoning. Lay it down on top. Peel the paper off. Wash my hands. Salt. Pepper. Garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. I put some on the bottom and I shouldn't have. A little bit of smoked paprika. And our steak seasoning. The steak seasoning will be a first for me. I have no idea what it tastes like. Okay. Now, this is the important part. You want to fold your end over. Get them touching. And then fold them together. Just 2 turns is plenty, because you want to make sure this is still high enough that air is going to get through there. All right. Then we're going to turn it sideways. You're going to fold these corners in and fold them up. Just 1 turn up. That's all you want. And that is literally so that our juices don't fall out. All right, this end, I hope y'all can see this. Fold your in pieces, almost like you're wrapping a gift. And fold this up. Just like that. Now, here's the first one I made and forgot to hit record. And here's our second one. We're going to put these on the tray just like this. Again, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook this for 30 to 40 minutes, somewhere in there. And then we'll see if they're ready. But either way, toward the end, we're going to open these up and we're going to put a slice of cheese over the top of each piece of meat. So I'll see y'all in 40 minutes. Okay. I took these out of the oven at the 40-minute mark. And I added a piece of cheese. I turned the oven off and I let them sit in there another, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. Now we're fixing to bite into them because I'm starving. And here we go. Y'all, these are so good if you've never had one. I think it's the combination of the beef sitting on top, its juices drizzling down into the onion, and the beef and the onions juices drizzling down into the potatoes. It's delicious. Not sure where to cut in at. Let's try an onion and a potato first. Oh, they're so soft. Let's do this the other way. Come on, don't fall apart on me. Okay, it's gonna fall apart on me. The onion and potato. Mmm. 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 Beef, potato, and onion, and cheese. Mmm. Mmm. That brisket beef is delicious. And I'm going to go ahead and move this over. So I can get just a piece of this brisket beef. The seasonings were perfect. Seasonings, rather. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Y'all can't come up with something to fix. Grab you some tin foil, cut you some onion and potatoes, and grab you some beef. Just don't forget the seasonings, because that is truly what makes this so spectacular. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna go stuff my face. Thank y'all for being here. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will see y'all very soon.